Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I very rarely do an unboxing video of not new shoes, and these are really old, they're 5 years old. But I've been waiting for these for 30 years, so yeah, I'm going to show them to you. So these are the Reebok Shaqnosis, and I have bought them unused but old. So they got released in 2000, and I believe even in 1999 as well, in 2013. But for some reason, Reebok, at least in Europe, haven't released them in my size. So these are half a size too small, but I sort of don't care at the moment. I just want to wear them once. I just want to have them in my collection. I feel that the box is kind of small for shoes that are at least US 12 in size. US 12 in Reebok is 45 and a half, and US 12 in Nike are 46. But it was okay. Small packet, but it was okay. So still got the labels on them, or there is their own label. Yeah. So I bought them from Sneakershyllan. It's a store that buys or that sells both resale and used shoes. But these are unused, as you can see, and the Reebok tags. It is from Reebok, are still there, and I still feel that I paid resale because I paid the retail price 5 years ago for a pair of shoes without a box. So, but I'm still happy with them. They look small. I have to check the size. US 12, 45 and a half, yeah. Dog here. So let's talk about the shoes. Yeah, there is a glue stain on the tongue, but I knew that from before. It says so in the ad. So yeah, I paid resale more or less for a pair of shoes that are used and with no box and with glue stains. But I'm still happy to have them. As you can see, these were really a big deal when they came. I remember so that people thought that these were crazy, and I remember a girl thought it was weird that it didn't make a circle, a perfect circle when you did like that. Reebok Shaqnosis. So I had them in 1995, 30 years ago, and Reebok, Shaq had them when playing for Orlando Magic the 95-96 season. So I already had the shoes when Shaq was playing in them. It was like that back then. And then I went to see Men in Black in the movies, and Will Smith are wearing these in one of the first scenes. And I just thought it was weird. Why is he wearing old shoes? Because Men in Black came in 1997. I have already had these shoes for 2 years. I've grown out of them. I didn't have them still. I didn't have them left. So I just thought it was weird that he was wearing old shoes. But I didn't know back then that it takes at least a year to make a movie. And that scene when he's wearing them, super cool. Super cool shoes. And people thought that they really stood out there. They really was visible. So And these shoes, and of course Shaq, is a big reason why I was back then a Reebok guy instead of a Nike guy. I was absolutely a Shaq guy instead of Michael Jordan guy. So I'm happy to have them. They look small, but yeah. And this is the reason why I haven't dared to buy any Reebok Shaqs for a long time. The last time I bought a pair of Shaqnosis, it was the Barack, we call them, green, and I ordered them from US. They cost me a lot of money, and I took a US 13, I think, because US 12 wasn't available, or that US 12 was a 45.5, and the US 13 was just too big, way too big. But for wearing once, I hope they will be fine. And the glue stain on the tongue, yeah, I was aware of it. But otherwise, they are unused. They are nice. And they don't look yellow, they don't look old in any way. So it's weird that they don't have the box to them, because how have these been storage for 5 years without being out in the sun, or I don't know. But I'm happy to have them. But when Shaq now became the Reebok president for Reebok basketball, I was expecting all the Shaqnosis or all the Shaq shoes as retro and in good leather. But we're still waiting for that. So I want the 92 Shaq Attack, 92, yeah, 92 Shaq Attack with good leather, and I want these again in good leather. But it isn't bad, actually, not at all. I thought it was going to be worse. So the leather here is nice. Happy to have them. I have some more shoes coming in this week that aren't new either. I buy more, sometimes I buy more old shoes than new drops, but I never do videos about that because I think it's none of your interest to see 5-year-old shoes. But maybe I'll start to do that. I have Air Jordan 13 French Blue coming. They got released last year, I think. I have 3 pair of Air Jordan 1s coming, but those I'm going to do a video about. So subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about sneakers in general, just ask me. What do you think about these Shaqnosis? I just hope that they will fit me at least once.